So I've got my reading pillow here. One thing I noticed right away when I took it out of the box is just really nice and soft. It does come vacuum packed, and once you inflate it, it is just ready to go. Now this is super soft with this nice pattern all throughout here. It's got a really good firmness on here. We do have a handle on top, so it's really easy to move around. And then on the back side, it does have a zipper, so that's where the filling is going to be located. And then also on the each end of the arm here, you can see here we do have a pocket, so you could put any items here, such as a phone or a tablet or pens, and it also has one on the other side. I mean, this is great when maybe you're sitting on the floor, which I'll tend to do, and I don't really have much back support, so this is definitely going to give that to me. My wife and I, we like sitting on something like this when we're reading books, we're playing games, and this is great for kids too. When my grandkids come over, they're typically sitting on the floor, and this is going to be great for them. Hope you found this helpful.